Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today we will discuss about the functions of blood. So blood is basically a fluid or liquid connective tissue. So it is considered as the fluid of life because it carries oxygen from lungs to all the parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs, and then it excretes the lungs. It is known as fluid of growth because it carries nutritive substances to the various parts of the body, from the digestive system and hormones from endocrine gland to all parts of the tissues. The blood is also called the fluid of health because it protects the body against diseases and gets rid of waste products and unwanted substances by transporting them to the excretory organs like kidneys. So basically blood performs the following functions. First of all is nutritive functions. Nutritive substances like glucose, amino acids, lipids and vitamins derived from the digestive food are absorbed from the GI tract and carried by blood to different parts of the body for the production of energy and growth. Next function is respiratory function. Transport of respiratory gases is done by the blood. It carries oxygen from alveoli of the lungs to different tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to the alveoli. Next function is excretory function. Waste products formed in the tissues during various metabolic activities are basically removed by blood and carried to the excretory organs such as kidney, skin, liver, etc. for excretion. Next one is transport of hormones and enzymes. So hormones which are secreted by the ductlets or you can say endocrine glands are released directly into the hormones. They are released directly into blood. Then the blood transport to these hormones to the target organs or tissues. Blood also transports enzymes. Next function is regulation of water balance. So water content of blood is freely interchangeable with that of interstitial fluid. Interstitial fluid means the fluid between two cells. This helps in the regulation of water content of our body. Next one is regulation of acid base balance. Now the plasma proteins and hemoglobin present in blood help in regulation of acid base balance. Next is regulation of body temperature. Because of blood has high specific heat, and because of that it is responsible for maintaining the thermoregulatory mechanism of the body, that is balance between the, it causes the balance between heat loss and heat gain. Next function is storage function. So basically water and some important substances like proteins, glucose, electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, sodium, potassium are constantly required by the tissues. So blood serves as a ready-made source of these substances, and if these substances are taken from blood during conditions like starvation, fluid loss, electrolyte loss, etc., in these conditions these substances are taken from blood. Next is next but not the least is also an important function. This is the defensive function of blood. Blood plays important role in defense of the body. The white blood cells responsible for this function is defensive function is neutrophils and monocytes. They basically work by engulfing the bacteria by the process of phagocytosis. And lymphocytes which are a kind of WBC, they are involved in development of lymphocytes, development of immunity. And eosinophils, they are responsible for detoxification, disintegration and removal of foreign proteins. So these are basically the functions of blood. Here I am ending my today's video. See you in my next video, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.